This is a Mauer 2-star SKG that Lady Locks let me borrow. So I'm gonna use a multi-pick turning tool, multi-pick flag. Start out with the longer of the two flags. One, some two. Okay, so I just got a little bit of core movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's one, there's two, I think that's 4 and 6. Okay. So I'm going to switch to the smaller flag. 1, 2. Okay, so that was 3. But now I gotta make sure that I get on the actual top of this pin because it's set. It's set really high. And if I slip off, it won't open. But that was number 4, and it opened. So that's the Mauer from Lady Locks.